So the next question is, I would like to understand how and on what basis resumes get shortlisted. I guess that could be you for Martin.
So people have different approaches, but I'll tell you like a common approach and the approach that I generally use or recommend. So what we do is when we put together a job specification, we create something what we would call a skills stack rank. And effectively what that just means is we look at all the requirements of the job and we put them in order of importance. And then as resumes come through, we look at the resume and we try to answer the question, to what degree does the person meet these particular requirements, and then also in where they are in the order. So if you're working on a particular, let's say for instance, we're looking for a Python engineer, and then that would be sort of the highest one, and then maybe you're looking for a German-speaking Python engineer, but the German-speaking part might be quite unimportant and more towards the bottom of it. If you do very well on the sort of 3 or 4 key elements of it, it's very likely that your resume will get shortlisted. The other things are sort of nice to haves and are less important. But it's not entirely like a keyword matching exercise in the sense of just looking at that. But we also look at things like, to what degree is this person actually dealt with the level of responsibility that we're looking for the person to deal with. So can they work quite autonomously if that's a requirement, right? If you need to be a specialist in that particular field, etc. But mainly what it comes down to is there's this list, and your skills are then matched against this list, and it kind of ascribes to the scores. And then after that, that's not even a short list yet, that's the long list. And out of those, we'll take that and we'll reduce that to 5, the top 5 out of those, whatever many made it so far, and those top 5 we will reduce maybe even to 3, and then those will go through to the manager.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, next